Kia ora koutou. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about changing fractions to decimals to percentages. And for that, I've made a little flow chart that outlines what you're going to do. If you'd like to add that to your notes, that'd be a great idea. Well, let's start off with a fraction like 3 over 4. If we want to change that fraction into a decimal, what you're going to do is take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. Now we know in a fraction, the numerator is on top and the denominator is on the bottom. So with your calculator, 3 divided by 4 gives us 0.75, and that's how we change that fraction into a decimal. Next, if you want to change the decimal into a percent, what you're going to do is take that decimal, 0.75, you're going to times by 100 and add the percent symbol. So when you take 0.75 in your calculator and you times it by 100, you get 75, and you add the percent symbol. So that's how you change a fraction to a decimal to a percent. Now the last part, if you want to change a decimal into a fraction, and I'm going to do as an example 0.35. What you want to do is first write the decimal as a fraction. So this number, 0.35, is 35 hundredths. The first decimal place is the tenths, and the second decimal place is the hundredths. So we're going to write this as 35 over 100. Now, once we've got it as a fraction, we can change that into simplest form using our calculator. So turning that on, we're going to go 35 divided by 100. There we see is 0.35. Now, what you're going to do on your calculator, you're going to use the S to D button. S stands for simplified fraction, and D stands for decimal. So, with the screen there, it's going to be right above the DEL button, S to D. On some calculators, it's going to be an ABC button. When you push that button, you're going to see the decimal goes to a fraction, 7 over 20. Same button again, back to a decimal. So that's how you're going to change your decimal into a fraction. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Maori mahi, mauri ora, ka kite ano.